This is my favourite way to have potatoes, so we're going to show you how to make these fluffy, crispy, roasted potatoes.
To start off with, you need to peel your potatoes. Choosing the right potato is really important, and we always go for Maris Piper potatoes when we make roast potatoes. This makes a huge difference. We start off with about 2 potatoes per person, but to be honest, these are so good you'll likely need more.
Cut the larger potatoes in half and you can leave the smaller ones whole. You put the potatoes into a large pan, add in some cold water and generously season with salt. Then we'll bring it to the boil.
Preheat your oven whilst the potatoes are boiling, and from the moment the water starts to boil, you want to boil the potatoes for a further 5 minutes and then drain the potatoes and fluff them up.
We'll leave the potatoes on the side to steam. One thing that goes really well with potatoes is rosemary. So we get some fresh rosemary and cover it with olive oil and leave it in a bowl. Then we get our pan and make sure the bottom is fully covered with olive oil before putting our hot potatoes in. We drizzle the potatoes with olive oil and then we're going to add salt and pepper. We use rock salt here because we find it gives it a really good salty taste. We then are going to add the rosemary which we left on the side, and we're ready to put in the oven.
Leave the potatoes in the oven for about 45 minutes and then take them out. The next step is crucial in getting the ultimate crispy, fluffy potatoes. So we go in with a potato masher and lightly press down on the potatoes. Lightly pressing on the potatoes makes it extra crispy. To add another layer of flavour and to make the top crispy, we go in with some butter. Then you want to put your potatoes back into the oven for another 45 minutes.
Golden roast potatoes. Look how crispy it is on the outside and fluffy on the inside. You'll be using this roast potato recipe for the rest of your life.
If you like this recipe, then give us a like and subscribe and comment below on what you want to see next time.